Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. Yeah, one of the slower charts right now, but also ADA is trying to push a little bit higher. We have broken above the initial micro resistance area at 58.9 cents. Again, in bullish markets, resistances should break. However, it's still not, it's too early to celebrate because we don't have a 5-wave move up yet. This still looks very choppy, overlapping, messy. Yeah, there's a small overlap between this swing high from Wednesday the 5th and this swing low from Sunday. So we still have very, very slow upside momentum only, very choppy price action. And as you can see, the market should still grind higher to complete a 5-wave move. I explained over the last few days how a 5-wave move should look like. That is highlighted here. In blue. And we can really only consider this to be a diagonal structure, so it's not trustworthy until we get 5 up, 3 down. But we do have a wave 1, a wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3. The next resistance and first target for wave C of 3 is at 62.7 cents. We might then see a 4th wave pullback and one more high. That would give us a proper 5-wave move to the upside. Then we can add support for wave 2, and that support area, not defined yet because we don't have the 5 waves yet, could be a springboard for the price to start a 3rd wave rally. But you see, there is still quite a lot of work to do. There is still a lot of room for failure because until we get 5 waves up, we don't have a stable structure. And even after the 5 waves, we need to see if the price can hold the wave 2 low. But I'm tracking it, I'm tracking it. If at this point, we break back below the Sunday low, which formed here where the yellow line is located. If we break back below this one and with that also below the yellow trend line at around 54.5 cents, this would indicate we're likely going for one more low. Now you might ask, but we broke above resistance. Well, we did. I still don't like the structure though. It's a first break of micro resistance, not in 5 waves. And because this decline, it could even become a bit more of a complex correction. The break above resistance is nice, and it's an indication that, okay, the downside structure doesn't really look ideal. This 4th wave could have topped here. With that additional high, it might morph into something different. So we are in this transition phase where the white count, that this could be a wave 4 bounce is still valid, but it's getting less likely. But we also don't have 5 waves up yet. So it's kind of a bit of just a tracking exercise to wait and see if the market can give us those 5 waves, which would then act as the next signal that a meaningful low might have been established. So yeah, what I will watch for then is this key support level there, 54.5 cents. All eyes need to be on that level. As long as we're holding it, the price can grind to 62.7 cents next. Yep, next resistance. Then from there we can add support for a wave 4. Then we can track wave 5. When all these 5 waves are completed, we can add support for a wave 2 pullback. That's the update on ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. You can find a link and all the other information in the comment section. Here you can get additional updates, videos. There was also an exclusive video update here for Bitcoin where I covered the parameters for this week. So check it out. Very valuable analysis also here. Also stuff that you won't find on YouTube. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.